A wild development this afternoon surrounding gas prices. Oil prices plunged 300% today and are trading around negative $30 a barrel. So what does that mean? Emily Linnert is getting some answers for us tonight.
Continuing to follow some historic gas prices through this coronavirus pandemic. Checking in with Patrick DeHaan today. Patrick, we are seeing some really low prices right now.
Well, Emily, not even so low, but they are now dropped into negative territory. At one point during the late afternoon, we saw prices as low as negative $36.50, meaning that basically somebody's paying you to accept 1,000 barrels of crude oil. Now, it is worth mentioning that this is the last day that the May contract will trade, but still some dramatic numbers happening today.
That is very dramatic. Can we expect to see that passed along to us at the pump?
Unfortunately not. Oil prices have been plunging today to negative values, but gasoline values have held relatively constant. And that's probably because refineries have started throttling back production of crude oil, thus then making crude oil inventories increase even faster. But what we're looking at here is not a whole lot of an impact from this. The June contract starts to trade later this week, and it is trading at about $22 a barrel. So unfortunately, this is not something that's likely to stick around.
So it might not impact us at the pump. What is it doing to the industry as a whole?
Well, it's certainly a spectacularly bad time to be an oil producer. Some of these metrics that we've seen today, oil prices, real trades happening at the single digits per barrel. So, you know, how long this lasts is going to implode the oil industry if it's a substantial amount of time. It's just is not going to end very well. And of course, if that means bankruptcies, then in the future we could ultimately see higher gas prices yet.
Patrick DeHaan, always keeping an eye on it for us. Patrick, thank you.
Thanks, Emily.